Hello everyone, this is Wipe Torment and today I am going to show you my fidget spinner. So I went out shopping today and I was lucky to find one. Yeah, well, it wasn't really in a shopping centre. So I was in this dark alley next to it and there was this Iron Man in a trench coat. Pulled jacket open, went into his coat pocket, reached it and put it in my hands. Yeah, that's how the story, how I got this. It's got like the American flag design on it. You can see red, white and blue on it. So I'm going to test this fidget spinner out and yeah, let's see how long it will last. Let's go on, can you fast? Like, I'm not the fastest spinner. I just got it today. Yeah. Okay, it's slowing down now. Yeah, it's slowing down. It's coming to a stop. Right, it stopped. That was around half a minute. Can get like 2.5 minutes if you're like a really fast spinner. And also I want to address this hate. What has been happening to my channel? Well, I don't... It's kind of hate. Well, I didn't really know. Like, there's people just typing in my chat saying Allah Akbar and stuff. It's just super weird. And I don't know why people are doing it. Didn't have someone started a raid or out. I want to know who is responsible for this and why they did it. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye.